That guy right there. There's another one. Oh, there's another one right here too. Look, they're communicating. Look at him up there flapping. Now that one's like, they do this kind of like moving their head up and down, kind of like they like to. It's kind of looks kind of like a taunt. Birds love to taunt. There's another one way back there. Oh, there's another one somewhere else. He's farther that way. Does that not look like a hand right there? That one does kind of too there. That's a strange anomaly type cloud situation structure. Yeah, I can hear some high pitch with this right here. High pitch humming from around here too. It's coming from one of those electrical boxes. I mean, that fucker is just humming. Humming. Now look, see? That's strange right there. Here's one right there. Where's it at? Right. It's right there. There's a sphere craft. Let's see if we can hear that freaking beep.